Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by connecting the external SSD so you can work immediately. Plug the NVMe adapter or SATA enclosure into a fast port, slow USB 2. 0 will bottleneck gains. Next, verify the drive appears in disk management or disk utility. If not, reseat the cable and retry. Once the system detects the SSD, initialize and format it to the appropriate file system for your OS, and confirm trim support if available. This preserves long-term performance and reliability. You now migrate the system to get the speed boost. Start a full clone or system image to the external SSD. Choose sector by sector if you have encryption or special bootloaders. During cloning, make sure partitions are aligned to 1MB boundaries for optimal SSD performance, and preserve the EFI and recovery partitions. Once cloning completes, change boot order in BIOS or startup security to boot from the external SSD, and update NVMe or SATA drivers so the OS uses the device efficiently. You finish by validating the speed and handling problems. Boot from the external SSD and run a quick benchmark and real-world tasks to confirm lower boot times and improved responsiveness. This proves the migration worked. If the system fails to boot, make sure EFI/boot flags are correct and reinstall the bootloader. Also check BIOS storage mode, OSI/PCIe. If performance lags, inspect the cable, port speeds, and power. Enabling trim and updating firmware usually resolves most slowdown issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.